Hey guys, this is Shivam, and today we are gonna make a simple artwork. So I just added a backdrop, and now I'm gonna add a character. So this is a custom character made in Make Human app. That's a free application, I guess. And this character I made specifically for this purpose to make it look sad, that it's regretting its all life decisions, the way I modeled it. Now I'm just gonna simply pose it the way I want. Also remember, while making the art, it doesn't matter if you follow the rules or not, because it's your artwork at the end of the day. Like, if you enjoy the process, you will like your character automatically. Like, I mean, if you don't really put your like imagination and idea, you won't, but I mean, you get what I want to say, right? So, I just wanted to add this create. I just added another side of the cube so that it looks like whole and completely simple simple background. Now here is the thing. I'm just gonna use a single light source because I want like simple shadows that are like below the character, because I'm just gonna add this light above my character and get that detailed shadows. I'm not gonna use cycles render. I'm gonna simply render it in Eevee because I'm gonna paint over it in Krita actually. The Krita is painting and animation software. So here I am going and changing the pose again because I don't know why I was not happy with the way it was looking and the way the character was sitting. So here I just wanted to have my character's hands on the knees, like we just sit. My character sitting on bum on the my character sitting with his bum and on the floor, regretting all the life decisions made. I mean, that's the representation of humanity nowadays, I guess. Or humans, we can say. Also the background, there you can see all the edges and corners. I'm gonna deal with that in just a minute because I don't want any hard surfaces or corners. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna select all the sides and bevel them so that I don't get any shadows or edges or corners and stuff, nothing. Now I'm just gonna go simply like adjust a little bit here, a little bit of toes and neck, and make it look good basically. Like, you just can't pose the character in 3D and make it look good by naturally posing it. You have to adjust his unnaturally. Like, you can shift his hand, like, or shift his neck, or shift his buttocks side by side. Just make sure that the camera, with the camera angle, it looks good. So that's it. Now I'm just gonna simply render it in Eevee with all the settings on to make it look good, and import it in Krita actually. So Krita is like I already told, painting and animation software. So here is the final render. There is nothing detailing going on. So in Krita actually, I'm just gonna clear out all the edges, like rub them, polish them, so that they don't look pointy. I wanna keep this artwork messy, not really clean. Like the character, I wanted to show that the character is flowing with emotions, like that kind of stuff, philosophical stuff and all. Once you have a simple idea that what your character, what you want your character to look like, uh, you can go with it. Now you see, I worked really hard making. I worked really hard on that face that makes to make sure that it looks good and all. But now we are in bent over, I just slapped a board of wood on his face. Like, why? But I mean, it was on impulse, but it ended up looking good. And now I just wanted to show the emotion that the character is feeling through words. So nice. I'm just adding some curse words. Also, they say art is subjective. Some say like you should make artwork that. Others like, but here's my motto: if you don't enjoy what you are doing or you don't enjoy what you are creating, what's the purpose of creating that stuff? Like, why would you just create a stuff to show to the world? I mean, I don't know if that makes sense or not, but yeah, okay. Also, I didn't want to work really hard on this character or project or anything because I just wanted to keep it simple and raw, just like it was. So I just wanted to add that I was curious about finding the brush that might make it look good. So there is particularly one brush that I like, this one that creates this edgy surfaces as if it's breaking, but I added another layer for the white color to show the immersion or the merging of like character and background. Also, there is another brush that I'm gonna use with the same color, skin color, to show like the flowing of the stuff and all. Well, I guess this is my artwork. This is my final render. So if you like, you can like, comment, share, and do all that stuff that other YouTubers say to do, and now even I am saying. Well, uh, I just adjusted my character so that focus is on the character, not on the background, because there is nothing in the background, like I said. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you liked it, like and do all the stuff. If you didn't like it, don't do anything, and you can just go, I guess. And I'm gonna go now. Okay, bye.